Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to sit down and kind of show you guys some things that I've been adding to my fall winter collection. I've actually been traveling a lot in October and November, so it's nice to be settled back home where, you know, the weather is a lot cooler. And I've added a few things to my fall winter wardrobe that I want to share with you guys. I want to say the theme for this video is kind of like comfy, casual, chic vibes, okay? And I have on a sweater today that I'm absolutely loving, and it kind of fits the aesthetic, you know what I mean? I usually don't go for like a preppy look like this, but I'm really loving it. I picked this up from Hollister and it is amazing. I will style this up later, and this video is in partnership with Hollister, so thank you for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some accessories, clothes, shoes, and I have a handbag that I want to share with you as well. So if you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I usually focus on fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, fragrances, pretty much whatever else I feel like talking about. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell. And if you just don't want to miss an upload from me, that notification bell will help you out. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into some of the accessories that I picked up. Okay, y'all, so first up, I have a pair of sunglasses. Now, these are by Celine, and I've been on the fence about getting these for a little while. I've been seeing these a lot, and I thought they were really, really nice, more of like a collector's piece. But what had me on the fence was the fact that even though they are quite unique, they're very, very, very similar too. You'll see what I mean when I open them. So yeah, this is how they look. This is the packaging. They have a really cute case. It is quite large for my taste because you guys know I tend to go for smaller handbags, but it's fine. And these are the sunglasses. So you may be thinking like, yeah, these are super simple, which they are. I love like the classic shape of these, but it was the gold detailing that had me, okay? I absolutely love the gold detailing and how they're lined in gold as well. So I'm gonna pop them on real quick. Fabulous, right? I absolutely love these. I feel like these are very classic, but can still lean kind of cool girl. So I can totally see these paired with a full all black outfit. If you want to edge it up a bit, maybe like some black jeans, maybe like with a little wash to them, a nice black turtleneck, black trench coat, black boots, like super cool and edgy. But then you can also wear something like this to the office because again, the shape is very classic, and I love these a lot. Now that I have these, I'm very happy that I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet. So love these Celines. I also picked up these. Now these are a really cute pair of shades that I've recently added. They're a little bit dirty because I have been wearing these, but I love the shape of these, very unique in the shape. And you guys know how I feel about a tinted lens. It can definitely elevate your look, so I love that. I'm gonna pop them on real quick. It doesn't really go with the vibes right now, but again, an all black look, so smart, so chic. And I just love this. So these are super cute, quite affordable. So comment down below if you actually want the link for these. And I'll probably style these up today as well. So I also picked up this really cute handbag. Now this is from Blackwood. He was having a sale and I was missing a small all black handbag with like silver hardware. I know my Jody is like, you know, I've been wanting that forever, and I finally got like a nice dupe for that, and it works. But that silver hardware I was missing, and I would tend to reach for like my Chanel reissue bag, but it's too big sometimes, you know? So I love this bag, and I also like that it has a little bit of interest with the pony hair, so it's not boring black. It also has silver hardware and a top handle. You know, we love that. And it comes with a crossbody strap, which was imperative, okay? So this looks really cute crossbody, and I believe this is called the Kendrick trunk in the mini size. So they do have like a regular size, and I like that size too, but the minis are so cute, and they only had this one actually on sale. So yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this bag. If I can find it, I'll link it down below for you guys, but I think this is super cute, and it definitely fills a void in my handbag collection. collection. Okay, so now that we've gotten the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and style up some of the pieces that I picked up from Hollister. Now, when I think of Hollister, I always think of like a casual, chic, but really great quality pieces, okay? I also love the fact that they are inclusive when it comes to sizing and height. That is super important to me. You guys know I'm only 5'1", so when it comes to jeans and pants and things like that, it is really important that they have short, regular, and long length, just for girls like me and for the taller girls too. I also like the fact that in some of the dresses that I came across, they came in short, regular, and long too. So that is a plus. I haven't seen that a lot. I really love the fact that they give us that option. Okay, y'all, so first up, I have these really cute gray cargo jeans. I knew when I saw these on the website that I had to have these. I got these in a size 14 regular, which is a 32 on their website. They fit me really, really nice, I think. And I like the fact that I have on a low, comfortable heel, and they're still really nice in length for me. So this is good. I did not have to go short in these. I don't think that these came in short, but I could be wrong. And you can see they have a really cute cargo pocket on the side, but they also have more of a carpenter style because they have these slanted pockets. And in the back, it's just the regular pockets. They also have, you know, belt loops and everything. So I think these are so cute. I'm probably going to style this up pretty monochromatic. Now, I do have this baby tee that I picked up from Hollister, and I really love it. The quality of this is absolutely divine. It is so soft. Y'all, you need these. I wish I would have got more because they do have some bodysuits in the same material as well. And when I ordered this online, I did not know, you know, the material that it would be. But this material is butter soft. I love it so much. Very breathable as well. Now, this is a baby tee, but as you can see, I'm short. I have a shorter torso, and it's not super short on me. Like, you can't even see my midriff, but it does cover like the waistband of these jeans. Now, I also picked up this really cute gray bomber. It's more of a charcoal gray, but I can still do a monochromatic look with this, and that's why I love this bomber. It is a nice, you know, weight, but it's not overly bulky. I did get this in a size extra large, and it fits so nice. This is what it looks like in the back. And I also love the fact that this is cropped, but it's not too cropped. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see the actual like wool-like material. Love this. So right now I have on some pointed toe pumps, and you guys know how I feel about a pointed toe pump poking out of a straight leg jean. It's perfect. And I have on my 2 different shades of gray, and I definitely want to style this up, but you don't have to do too much to make it look like you really tried, okay? So first I'm just going to add this metallic handbag. Now this is more of like a blue silver metallic. I love this bag. And to keep this look casual, I'm just gonna throw it over me crossbody, but because it is metallic, it still, you know, elevates the look a little bit and gives it just a little bit more razzle dazzle. I also have on a silver lock necklace, so that adds a little bit of edge because it's a bit chunky. And for shades, I'm gonna throw on these really cute black frame shades, and they have like a greenish blue tint, so it kind of pulls the greenish blue, you know, metallic from here. So this is the full look. Now, of course, you can always throw on a black boot, but I don't mind these black shades, you know, because they have a lighter lens with the white top and the white shoes. So let me know what y'all think. Now, I could also add a pop of color to this look and pull out the color of the season, which is like this deeper red shade. Love, okay? So I think this adds a nice pop of color. I like the fact that it still has the silver hardware, so it just really blends in with the gray tones. So let me know, which look do you prefer? Do you like it with the silver accessories, or do you like this pop of color? Okay, y'all, I have another pair of cargos. These are faux leather, and y'all, they are so comfortable, so stretchy. So I love them, okay? I love anything that's gonna be really comfortable but still allows me to look very put together. So I'm just gonna do an all black look with a pop of color with this, and these are good. I have on this old turtleneck that I've had in my wardrobe for a few years now. It just has like a little bit of cutout detailing on the arms. So let's go ahead and style this up. Okay, y'all, so I decided to add a third piece to elevate this look a little bit, and this is from Hollister as well. Absolutely love this puffer vest. Okay, this is so cute. I got this in a size large because I didn't want it to be so oversized. I am busty, and sometimes that can just be a little bit unflattering and makes me look a little bit more top heavy than I would like. So I went for the size large. I can still zip it up if I want to, but I would wear it open just like this. So I'm loving this all black look. But as you can see, I did add a pop of color with my pumps. I went hot pink, okay? Love this for a winter look because it's fun, it's edgy, especially with my dark hair. I'm really liking this. Now you can always do a pop of color with your bag or your sunglasses or whatever have you, but I'm just going to add texture, okay? So I'm pulling out my brand in Blackwood, and it's a pony hair bag, and I love this. Let me know what y'all think about this look. I feel so like strong in this, you know, but still very comfortable and edgy and just cute. Okay, y'all, so here is my next look. Now, I just put on these two pieces. Both of these are from Hollister, of course, but I haven't styled it up yet. And to me, this is still very much like smart casual, perfect for like, you know, casual Friday at work, if you ask me. I love this sweater so much. I usually don't go for these like preppy type of looks, but I'm really feeling this, okay? So this sweater is like a nice beige color with stripes. It has navy stripes. I went with the dad jeans in a size 14 regular length because you guys know I love a heel. And I think these are amazing. These jeans are so comfortable, y'all. Highly recommend these. And they look so good on. Like, these are like the best fitting jeans. I'm obsessed with these jeans, y'all. Like, the fit is top tier. You absolutely need these. Although you can wear it just like this, of course, we need to go ahead and style it up. So let's do that. And I don't know if I mentioned, I did pick up a size large in this sweater. As you can see, it is oversized, so you can definitely size down in this depending on how you want it to fit you. But to style this, I just decided to tuck it under my bra a bit just to give it more of a crop feel. And I like that. I just let the back kind of hang, you know, and create that like blousing effect. I'm gonna throw on these old Loewe sunglasses. Top tier. And if you want an even more casual vibe, you can add a larger handbag. Love this Bottega inspired handbag. And the color is perfect. It's just like perfect for a nice weekend. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. Okay, y'all, so last but not least, I had to pick up a sweatsuit. In the fall and winter, these are my go-to fits. I know y'all usually see me in heels and stuff, but when it's like time for me to run my errands or work from home or whatever I'm doing, I need a two-piece like this, and I really do prefer a hoodie. So I love this color because it's more of like a gray, beige brown. So I love this because it has a wide leg pant, and I do feel like these pieces run large. I got this in a size large. I originally ordered in an extra large in both pieces, and it was really huge, almost so that it was unflattering. So I sized down to just a regular large, and I'm loving the fit. So the pants are really cute. They're the perfect length for me, and they don't have a drawstring, but they still fit really nice in the waist. They do have pockets, of course. So I decided to pair this with my Golden Goose sneakers. I love my Golden Goose. They're super comfortable, and I love the little dirty look of them. I know that these are definitely like an acquired type of taste, but these are my faves, okay? So I'm just gonna style this up with gold accessories and very minimally as well. I don't even have on earrings because my hair is covering my ears, but I do have on just my gold Oura ring, and this is perfect for those days when you're running errands so you can get all your steps and your activity tracked. And I'm gonna throw on my favorite brown shades. Love these because they have like that tinted lens, so these are good for indoor and outdoor. And then for my bag, I'm gonna go for this hobo style. Larger bags are in. I know this is not really large, but this is large for me. But I love this bag because it fits so much in there, and I can easily just throw it over my shoulders, super comfortable, right? So yeah, this is pretty much how I would wear this to go run my errands, whether it's the post office or the mall, grocery shopping, whatever have you. So let me know what you guys think about this. And I highly recommend their sweats. They have so many different variations and colors. They have like the jogger style pants, they have fleece, they have, like I said, the zip up hoodies, they have cropped hoodies, all the things. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Okay, so last but not least, I did pick up a pair of boots. Y'all love these. These are super comfortable. They are over the knee, but I've just been looking for a nice pair of black leather boots, and these I don't think these are advertised as wide calf, but they're giving wide calf. Like, they fit my 15-inch calf, and I love these, so I highly recommend these. Next up, I picked up these. Now, these reminded me of the Miu Miu boots, and I had to have these. These are genuine leather. Look at the detailing on these. Now, these are in the gray color. I thought I ordered the brown that is very similar to the Miu Miu, so I'm wondering if I should return these. I'll pop up a picture of the brown. Let me know what y'all think. Should I return and get the brown or keep the gray? Y'all know I love my all black fit, so of course this would go with that, but that brown is like so perfectly distressed. Okay, y'all, I also picked up a new fragrance. Now, I picked up Carmina by Creed. I've smelled this back in August, and I got samples and wanted to purchase it right away, but it was not available. I also smelled this during Fashion Week, and I finally bit the bullet. It's quite expensive, but this is something different for the House of Creed, so I had to grab it. The notes in this one are pink pepper, black cherry, and saffron. Then we also have rose de mai, violet, and peony, and the heart. And for the base notes, we have cashmere wood, amber, and musk. I feel like this is definitely, like I said, something different for Creed. It opens up in a tart cherry burst, but it dries down very opulent, very sophisticated, and I love the cashmere wood. Usually Creed goes more for like a cedar wood, but this one is way more like sweet and smoky when it dries down. I absolutely love this. I wore this, got a ton of compliments, and what I will say is that the black cherry is definitely the standout note in this, but I can smell all the things in this, and I do love that. It leaves a beautiful trail behind you. So yeah, I highly recommend Carmina. It is expensive, but this will last you all day, and it is the perfect winter fall scent. Y'all, it's everything. OMG. I did opt for the smaller bottle because I feel like I have so many fragrances, but this one is large bottle worthy in my opinion. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very particular about my cherry scents because you guys know I love my Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but this one is like a cherry rose, so it's really good. All right, y'all, so that's the end of my little fall winter haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have everything linked down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and thank you again, Hollister, for sponsoring today's video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.